Verifying your identity on Venmo is essential for ensuring the security of your account. If your verification fails, follow these steps to successfully complete the process. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided, such as your name, address, and date of birth, is accurate and matches the details on your government-issued ID. Step 2. Use a valid ID. Make sure you are using a valid form of identification. Acceptable forms include a driver's license, state ID, or passport. The ID should be clear and not expired. Step 3. Take clear photos. When submitting your ID, take clear and well-lit photos. Ensure that all corners of the ID are visible and that the text is legible. Avoid glare and shadows. Step 4. Resubmit your verification. If your initial verification fails, go back to the verification section in the app and resubmit your information and ID. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure everything is filled out correctly. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to Venmo support for assistance. Provide them with details about your verification attempts and any error messages you received. Following these steps should help you successfully verify your identity on Venmo. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek support for further guidance.